Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Our topic for today is about the structural analysis pa rin. We have the equilibrium and support reactions. Okay? So, we have this setup. This image was taken from Structural Analysis by Hebeler 12th edition. So, we have to find the reactions at A and B pa rin. So, we have this trapezoidal load and a point load. So, always remember that um, this trapezoidal load is composed of UDL and UVL. When we say UDL, so obviously that means uniformly distributed load. Okay? Then after that, when I do this, okay, so ginawa kong box yung isa or rectangular. So that is your UDL. Okay? Then, etong triangular sa taas, this is UVL. Okay? So, ang taas ng 150 is for the UDL, then 200 kay UVL mo. Okay? But that's not end here or on that. Because when you do this, yung triangular load mo, hindi na 200. You should subtract it by the load of the UDL. So, that is about 50 pounds per foot na lang because 200 minus 150, that is 50. Right? Then, yung UVL mo ngayon na 50 pounds per foot, gagawin mo na siyang point load. Okay? 50 pounds per foot. So, that is, katulad lang sa previous video, we have 1/2 times base times height. So, that is 1/2. Your base is about 6. Then, 50. Your point load is now 150 pounds. Okay? Ito na yung gagamitin natin sa UVL. Si UDL, hindi na natin gagalawin. Okay? So, proceed na tayo sa moments. So, summation of moment at A tayo is equals to 0. We have a clockwise is positive. So, we have 9, 12. So, we have negative 12 BY. So, inassume ko na si AY pag ganito rin, si BY ay pa-upward din. Okay? So, pwede nyo namang ilagay sa baba ng drawing what are your assumptions. So, negative 12 BY plus 150, okay, times 6 times 3. So, just a gentle reminder, etong 150 times 6 times 3 na to, this is your UDL. So, sa A ka nag-moment, nakadikit siya. So, 6, kalahati niya is 3. Okay? Plus 150. Okay. 150, yung point load kanina na dating UDL, times 2/3 of 6. Okay, so ito yon. Yung 150, hindi na siya 200, 50 pounds na siya. Then, this is somewhere here. So, ito ay 2/3. Okay, so 2/3 of 6 plus 500 times 9 is equals to 0. Okay? So, ang makukuha nating BY dyan ay 3 plus 150 times 2 over 3 of 6. Okay. Plus 500 times 9 alpha equal to 0. So we will get, okay, wait. Okay. So nakuha nating BY ay 650. So ito 'yon. So ang BY natin is equals to 650 pounds. So, a reminder, tong 500 times 9, this is the point load mong 500 times distance niya from A, which is 9. So, that is upward. Okay? So, mag-moment naman tayo at B. B. So, summation of moment at B is equals to 0. We have a clockwise positive. Okay? So, that is AY times 12 minus 500 times 3. So, ito yon. Sabi tayo ito yung ikot ni B, clockwise. Iikot si 500 ng pa-negative. So, 500 times 3 minus 150 times 1/3 of 6 plus 6. Okay. Minus 150 times 6 times 9 is equals to 0. So, explain ko muna tong isa. May 1/3, so triangular siya. So, ito yon yung kanina. 150 times 1/3 ng 6, sabi ka nag-moment, may 6 meters ka pa na distance. So, 1/3 of 6 plus 6. Kaya siya naging ganon. Minus 150 times 6 times 9. So, ito yung UDL mo. 150 times 6, ano kalahati ng 6, which is 3, plus may 6 meters ka pa mula sa B. So, 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. So, calculate natin, that is alpha x ayaw yon times 12 minus 1,500, direct ako na ha, minus 150 times 1/3 of 6 plus 6 uli. Okay, so in-explain ko na kanina, minus 150 times 6 times 9, alpha equal to 0. Shift solve. Okay, ang AY natin ay 900. Okay, so we have 900 pounds. So, and that is upward. Okay? So, ayan yung forces natin. So, AY is 900, then BY natin is 650. So, obviously kasi, if you analyze the beam, mas maraming loading ang nakalagay malapit kay A. So, siya yung may pinakamalaki dapat na resist. So, 900. Unlike kay B na 650 lang. So, i-total mo lang uli yan using summation forces vertical. Okay, so summation of forces vertical, so that is 150 times 6 sa UDL plus 150 plus 500. So, dapat ang total niyan ay 900 plus 150 plus 500. 1550. Okay? So, kapag inad mo yan dalawang yan, 900 and 650, so 1550 is 1550. Therefore, our answers are correct. Okay? So, that's it for the example number 7 in equilibrium and support reactions. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.